Wolfsklamm has been a popular destination for hikers for many years. People come here to experience the waterfalls, the unique rock formations, and the feeling of being surrounded by nature. The gorge was formed over thousands of years by the Stanser Bach stream. The water gradually carved its way through the rock, creating the narrow passage we see today. The trail through the gorge includes wooden walkways and bridges that allow visitors to safely experience this dramatic landscape.